Well, bloody hell, I ain't gonna read all that stuff. Can you actually...
Right.
I can read chicken cheeseburger. And man, that's it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. I am in central London on the hunt for the finest goddamn chicken in the land. Now before we crack on with where I am, it's a big one. We've got a sponsor, thank the Lord, praise the Lord. Suck him off, whatever. We believe that in, Jess? We have a sponsor, Amicus Insurance Solutions. If you dig holes, drive HGV vehicles, manage a fleet, anything like that, have a look at Amicus. They've got an in-house proactive claims team doing it differently. They're fast, they're accurate, they're on point. Adam and the boys and girls, hello. Thanks for supporting us with another video. I'm gonna put a link to their website in the comments below. Now, let's get on with the review. This could be a pretty special review. More special than this jumper. Let's have a look. So, try and hit them out. Out fry. My beautiful wife, Jessica, found these on Instagram. It's been developed, so we've read, by a double Michelin star chef team development. Look, they know what they're doing. And they've turned their hand to fried chicken.
Korean fried chicken.
Korean fried chicken. Now you've got my attention. Let's just like whip it out, have a look, taste it, show you what. Okay, cool. So, first things first, drink watch. We forgot to drink in the last one. Not this time. Rubicon, sparkling mango. You hold one of those?
What are you thinking about?
I don't know. I think of spanking some mangoes. And we've got another one. Who did you order two on Bevis?
Yeah, I wanted one.
Oh, cool. Well done.
I can't help.
All right, cool. Let's put it on table. So, what have we gone for, Jess? Let's have a look at the little breakdown. What we've got there.
Yes.
So, we've spent £27.70. We actually spent money on that. Did we spend what?
We spent money.
What, are they reimbursing us later on? Is that right?
No.
Who's paying us for this then? £27.70. 2 drinks, barbecue sauce. Well, bloody hell, I ain't gonna read all that stuff. Can you actually...
Right.
I can read chicken cheeseburger. And man, that's it. We're going to work our way through this, Jessica.
Yeah, so you've got a chicken cheeseburger, you've got 2 pots of their crispy chicken, their fried chicken.
Yep.
One of them is just the original, and the other one is a one I can't pronounce.
Okay, cool.
But it's like a sticky sweet sauce.
This is exciting though, guys, yeah? We've got some wicked branding. Look at this, look. That's great.
Did you get cutlery?
I did get cutlery.
Oh, good. I
got
the
cutlery and I got
option.
napkins. So you can actually option cutlery and napkins, can you?
Yeah.
Obviously, if you're having it at home, you're going to option not to have them.
Yeah.
Because you've got... all good. Right.
What are you going to go for first?
I think I'm going to just work my way up the bonnet. Oh, wow.
And I got you some different sauces to try.
So we don't know what this one is.
Oh yeah, no, we know what that one is.
Which one is
That's just
that?
the original crispy.
Yeah, great. This is the one that we wanted to try. So this is the original, kind of telling us all we need to know about these guys. Is it legit? Out fry. When you start putting in, look, foodies, you'll know, to get Michelin star, even rosettes, it takes a lot of work. These guys must know what they're doing. To turn their hand into our world, street food, fried chicken. Oh, I cannot wait for this.
Oh my God.
Wow, look at this. Straight away, it's kind of like erratic looking. Some gnarly bits on there, some crispy bits. Some seeds on top, decorative seeds. Here we go. Shall I have some sauce with it?
Yes. We'll try it on its own first.
All right, here we go. Yeah. You bite into that, and it's got an initial flavour. As I'm chewing, it's like a sub flavour. There's levels. What's the matter, Jess? There's levels. This is my hand signals for levels. There's levels and textures and flavours to that. So have you stitched me up here, Jessica, with some like
No.
red hot, fiery, crazy sauce?
Well,
Oh, that's called punching hot.
they were Korean, so I didn't know.
Let's try some punching hot sauce. Here we go. I don't know if you're supposed to have this sauce with this or not, but wow. Insane. I would actually describe this as fairly simple, but it's done so well. It's actually, okay, that punching hot sauce is really coming through at me now. It's done so well that it's classy and elegant. Clean too, really clean.
And it's not greasy or anything.
Not greasy at all. Take that out of there. Not greasy. Very happy with that indeed. Drink watch. Rubicon. Sparkling mango. Welcome back to the page. Also,
Been a while, hasn't it?
it has been a long time since we've had on that kebab shop goodness. Now these ones here, Jessica, looks like we've got the same wing, same chicken strips. Get your words out, mate. Just with a new sauce on top, right?
Yeah, this is really popular. This had popular next to it.
So that basically the marketing worked. It said the word popular next to it, must be popular. Who do we order this from?
Delivery.
Deliveroo. Welcome to the page. Should we tag them in this as well?
No.
Thanks, Deliveroo. It was. I think the place is only local because the food is coming really quick,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah, I think we found the dark kitchen.
Yeah. Here we go then. This is the as described popular kind of. I'm going to be honest with you. That's just the same as those, but with sauce dribbled on top. I'd like to see them tossed in there. Maybe a little bit more sauce covering. Would you agree with that, Jess? Kind of the same as what I've had, just with a little bit of sauce.
I thought they would be like doused.
Yeah, me too. I'd like to see these doused, but let's see. Doused, good word. Excellent description. Surprisingly, not blowing me away. Interesting. Really nice flavour.
What kind of flavour is it?
Asian inspired, kind of like soy. It's got a bit of sweetness to it. Not much spice at all. And it was counteracting with the original. I kind of preferred the ones we had before.
Try some of the sauces.
That's really quite interesting, Jess. I'd like to invite you to try some of this, Jessica, as we're going along. Get some of that. There you go, my love. There you go. What do you think to that? It's yummy, but I actually found that it kind of masked the other one. Like the other one's really, really good, Jess. Interesting. Interesting.
Good lump of chicken though. There's like
Great piece of chicken. There's no mistake in that. It's obviously made in-house with their own batter, their own mix, their own seasons. It's a fantastic, gnarly piece of unique looking, kind of like chicken select, I suppose you could call it. Big piece of chicken.
it tastes like the chicken's hasn't got that normal chicken flavour. It's like infused with something. It feels like.
Yeah. This is the chicken burger. This is the cheese one. Yeah, I've already seen it. This looks amazing. Oh wow. Look at this. I'm gonna call it though. So this is the chicken burger, which is the same pieces of chicken as those, smashed into a tiny little bun.
Let me see it.
There you go. We'll have a look at that. That bun, look, squashed to a smithereen. No doubt the flavour's gonna be good. No doubt the chefs involved and the team are insanely talented, but not winning me over. All right, cool. So let's, do you want to just get some nice close-ups of that? sound effect there, Jess. There you go, some food porn. First impressions, to hold this, I've got one piece wants to go that way, one the other. I'm really having to fight to keep this together. Not enjoying this. Here we go, right, let's go for this piece over here.
Oh, all over your face.
Part of the job. This is a really interesting one. The chicken burger, no doubt, has some nice flavours. Got a nice piece of cheese over the top. But as you can see, it's falling apart. It's messy, not particularly enjoyable to eat. Let's do sauce on my chops. Feels like I have. Messy, not particularly enjoyable to eat, but kind of flavoursome in your mouth. We've got great textures from this insane chicken, but I felt like the peak was here with the original chicken, where you could actually really taste the flavours of such an amazing product. Here it's just falling, it's just a bit of a mess. Chuck them all in a bun and hope for the best. The bun is horrendous. Yeah, not great. I actually thought this could have been the best chicken we've ever had. I actually think this could have been this could be one of the biggest letdowns I've ever had instead. Crazy. Heard so much great things about it. Look, there's such an amazing product. It's just the execution is just not there for me. I'm a paying customer just like you guys at home, and this is what I'd be getting, not what they're showing you on Instagram. Food for thought. What do you think, Jess? Is what it is?
Yeah, I mean, you've got to allow a bit for delivery, haven't you?
We're only up the road, my love.
I know, but it's been wrapped up and stuff.
Okay, cool. There are other boxes out there that do hold the shape and retain the shape of burgers these days. And that bag obviously hasn't done the trick. Look, it's just like, it's completely, if I picked that up, the chicken would fall out either side. Not what I'm hoping for. Fast food game, I believe, has moved forward. They've dipped their toe, not really understanding the end user, maybe. I'm not sure. Strange one, difficult one. Please get in the comments. Let me know if I've lost my marbles, not for wearing this jumper, for what I'm saying about the food. Wow, how interesting. Out fry from such an amazing piece of chicken.
Can you try the other sauces, please?
Yeah. This is excellent, Jess.
Seems like they've got the chicken down.
That chicken is well and truly down. I think people are struggling to get through here. Sorry, boss.
Are you glad to move your car forward now?
Yeah, I've just moved it forward as well. So let's talk about that. They've well and truly... This is a regular barbecue sauce.
Or is it?
Yep. I'll tell you right now. Nothing special about that whatsoever. It's like some kind of... It's pretty basic stuff.
Oh my goodness gracious me.
This is why we do the page. I'm an absolute lover of fast food, fried chicken, elite, high-leveled stuff. That, on paper, ticks all the boxes. Out fry, you're singing my song. But you delivered I don't know, underwhelmed right now. Guys, get in the comments, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of what I've had today. Really interested to hear your thoughts, especially from people who've been to Outcry or had it delivered.
Outfry.
Outfry. It should be an outcry after seeing this. Time for a score. Now, there's no denying the fact that that chicken is like truly sensational. I would even say elite. The flavours and the complexity to that chicken is great. But throwing it together like that, and expecting to get the hearts and minds of people that love your food and love what you do, ain't cutting it. And I'm gonna heavily penalise you on your score today, Out Fry. For that reason, I'm gonna give this a 6.7. I feel so deflated and underwhelmed by that. You've paid the price. Great chicken, poor execution. Take from that what you will. Thanks for watching, everyone. As always, if you're watching on YouTube, give us a subscribe and a thumbs up. It means the world to us. And a massive shout out to Amicus for sponsoring this video. Logo down there again. Go and check them out if you like digging holes and all sorts of other big boy stuff. Thanks for watching, everyone. And that was a review.